welcome to Inventor Playground. Today we are going to take a look at how to convert a really easy app into something new. So my cool class, as you can see here, try to open it. Yep. We will take that app and use it as a template to build a new app. And the new app is about COVID-19 so that we can show some status information about COVID-19 around the world in our app. And the design of this is in fact just to use App Inventor as a frontend like we did with Cool Class app. We were using App Inventor as frontend to Sway. This time we will just use App Inventor as a frontend to this website over here. As you can see, we have some COVID-19 updates and the website is this one. So if we can use that site, it's a free site, and show it in our app, then your users have a really easy access to that information. So let's get started. We have my cool class already loaded. So I just go into project and save project as COVID-19 app. Yep. Now we get a exact copy of what we had before. Now we want to turn this into the new app. So WebViewer 1 is showing our Sway, and we want to change that to the information here. Copy that URL, paste it into App Inventor. The clock, it's okay. Image. Now we need another image, and I have just a little icon we can drag and drop here. Okay, and let's show that instead. COVID-19, okie dokie. This old app we do not need anymore, so let's delete that. Cool. Let's try to see in the blocks, image. After the timer is fired after these 3 seconds, image 1 will be non-visible. We will show the WebViewer and disable the clock. We are going to change the icon also for this app to the COVID-19. So, okie dokie, that was fast. Let's try to see if this is working. Connect, scan the QR code. So, and let's wait a second for App Inventor to synchronize with my phone. We have our image, waiting 3 seconds, and now we are loading all about COVID-19. Let's give it a second. So, ain't that easy? Okay, it's not up and running yet, but we have 6.5 million total deaths and quite a lot of cases. Let's scroll down to see what is going on. We can search by, let's try Denmark. This is the overview over Denmark. And what you see here is your app running. Ain't that cool? So the last thing that we can add to this one is to in fact build this app and install it on our phone. Let's try to do that just to see it is working. I will take the phone and close all apps, get ready for the companion to scan the QR code so that we can install the app. Let's give it a second. Okay, now we're just waiting for the QR code. It's loading, and download, open, install, and let's get ready. Okay, here you go. COVID-19. Okay, we just need a little work on that icon, but let's fire it up and see what's going on. This is the app running on the phone. Just loading some world data. It's quite easy, quite nice. So the next time that you need to make an assignment, you can just make an app and deploy that to your teacher. Thanks for now.